Hey YouTubers, I've been making powdered milk for decades. I have oatmeal every morning for breakfast and use about a quarter cup of milk. And when I first started out my journey of having oatmeal for decades, I would use regular whole milk. But by the time I was living alone and a gallon of milk in my refrigerator, it would eventually go bad because I didn't use it all, because you use a small amount every day. So I switched to powdered milk. And like I said, I'm making for like the last 30 years, I think. So this is, I think, the quickest, easiest way. This is the powdered milk I use. I get it from the Mormons, from the LDS. I think this is some of the best powdered milk I've ever had. It does require a whisking. It doesn't go into solution as well as the others. I've got a yogurt cup that has hold about a quart of liquid, and it was close to being full to the top with plain water. And this was 2/3 of a cup of powder. But the thing I want to tell you about is this thing here, the whisk. I think that's the key to making your powdered milk go into solution, not have little lumps. You just want to first wet it. Once you got it wet, this comes the fun part. Of course, you can use electronic blenders and electronic whisk, but I just get a satisfaction of doing this. There's no batteries required. And it only takes a minute and you're done, and it's all in solution. You got a nice bunch of foam. Of course, the foam is probably denaturing the protein, but of course I let it sit overnight. The next day have it with my oatmeal. So that's how I make my powdered milk with the whisk for the last few decades. All right, take care. See you out there.